So what is important to new generation jobs? What is important really to all of our jobs? This emphasis on work-life balance. It's desire for flexible work. And I want to highlight that real quick. Who here has what I would call flexible work hours where it's not the standard 8 to 5, 5 days a week? Anyone doing 410s? Or a few people? Just go ahead and shout them out. What are you guys doing for flexible work where it's not your standard 8 to 5? You let your employees choose the hours they want. I want to talk to you afterwards. Please find me. I want to learn more about that. But there's companies out there now who are doing 312s, or what they call is heaven and hell week, where there's one company, Niagara Falls, they're a manufacturer that makes corrugated products. They have it where they work 3 days on, then they have 4 days off, and then they have 4 days. So basically every month, the way the schedule works out, they have a full week off every single month. And then when they're not working, they'll have 3-day weekends, they'll have 4-day weekends, they'll have 5-day weekends, but they love it because it gives them a lot more flexibility. And all of a sudden in the summertime, you can still take vacation, but could you imagine the summertime always having a full week off every summer, every month? It attracts a lot of people. They have had an 85% drop in people leaving their company. In fact, majority of the people who left their company, they said came back within the first 6 months because they said they love their flexible work hours so much. Technology proficiency, social conscious, desire for feedback, growth opportunities within their company as well. So how do we attract and retain the future? We communicate purpose to them, and communicate why manufacturing matters. We communicate why their jobs matter. We can communicate why they should be promoted within the company and create education and training paths for them in the future. We adapt to the way of life, the way they think, the way they communicate, the way they learn, and we're investing in their future.